When we talk about Wegmann Companies, we talk about technology. When you look at our technology, it far exceeds 95% of the marketplace. There's a number of people that have digital, but they don't have the digital that we have. I'm Mark Wegmann. I'm the owner of the company. We're located in St. Louis, Missouri. We service most of the Midwest, and we even touch the coast. We do a lot of products that the typical label companies don't do. And a reason why customers want to do business with us is our capabilities, both in the converting world and the printing world. And we're focusing on markets where variable imaging, variable information, any kind of variable data is critical, and we're having great success with it.
I'm Alex Wegmann, and I'm the operations manager here at Wegmann Companies. So what excites me most about this business is the technology, and to see things like the Domino blow the doors off of everything else that I've seen is awesome. There's been multiple times where I had 27 hours worth of production that would have been traditionally on a Flexo. I did it in one shift. From a production standpoint, come hell or high water, our customers need their products delivered on time. So we don't have time for downtime. I can receive artwork from a customer at 8 a.m., have it on press within 1 hour, and labels printed and delivered to them by the end of the day. It's impressive.
To start the process on choosing a digital partner, we sent out materials, we had them printed, we had them sent back. We eliminated a variety of manufacturers right out of the gate based on the quality. And then from there, we went in and we produced products that were variable image, variable data, just so we could see the quality through the process. Domino shined all the way through it, while each of the others seemed to drop off as we went. And so that ultimately led to the purchase of the Domino unit. The CEI BossJet, powered by Domino. We start off with a 40-inch unwind. We have a web cleaner, a corona treater, foil, 2 Flexo stations, a turn bar to print the back of the web. We move into the 7-color Domino, where we can go from white or black to variable imaging or information into full color. We then come out and have 2 more Flexo stations. We have the ability to create booklets. We move right into semi-rotary die cutting. From there, we go into full rotary stations, scrap take-up, and in the last station, we can either go roll to roll or roll to sheet, and it's all powered right here in the command center. This allows us to maintain the quality run to run. This is the quality of Domino. This is the quality of Wegmann.
I have a sincere appreciation for graphic designers and artists, and they work really hard to bring their customers' visions to life. So when I receive that artwork, I know that the Domino's quality coming off the press will exceed their expectations. The most surprising thing that I've seen with the Domino is how accurate the color is and how consistent it is over time. Clearly, the Domino gives Wegmann Companies a competitive advantage, not just with turnaround times, but with print quality and also the flexibility that we can offer our customers.
The level of satisfaction on the Domino digital press is very, very high. It's extremely productive, and it's also allowing us now to go out and find new customers because we have press time to do it. For our customers and our prospects, the most important thing to understand is the label world is changing rapidly. And being with a partner that can keep you ahead of the game and differentiate your product on the shelf or help you track and trace a product is very, very important. So that gives us an edge in the marketplace, not only for today, but for well into the future. Everything we were told has happened. The quality of the service we get from Jesse is phenomenal, and from Emily through David Ellen, the things that we're told happen. We think the CEI and Domino together make a great partnership. It's a great press. It's done everything that we've asked it to do. We have no regrets. And from Wegmann Companies, thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
We're really happy with our purchase.
Perfect. Nailed it.